Welcome. Today we're diving into the real secrets behind setting up Claude Cowork the right way. Most people treat it like a basic chatbot, but if you want to unlock its true power, you need to approach it differently. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you actually need to know, based on a week of hands-on experience. We'll cover not just the technical steps, but also the mindset and habits that separate average users from those getting real results. Let's start by understanding what makes Claude Cowork unique and why setup is the key to maximizing its value. Let's clarify what Claude Cowork really is. While many call it an AI collaboration tool that barely scratches the surface, the magic lies in its ability to read files directly from your computer. You simply point it to a folder, and every conversation starts with your context already loaded. Your preferences, goals, writing style, and company priorities. This means you don't have to re-explain yourself every session. Instead, you just start working, with Claude already up to speed. It's designed for non-developers, so there's no coding, no APIs, just a simple app and a smart folder system. To get started with Claude Cowork, you first need to download the desktop app from claude.com. Remember, Cowork only works inside the desktop app, not in the browser. You'll also need a pro account, which starts at $20 per month. Once you're in the app, look for the tab that switches between chat and code. Cowork lives in the code section, but don't worry, you're not actually coding. For best results, always select the Opus 4.6 model. It's the most capable and handles complex tasks with ease. Here's where most people go wrong: the folder setup. It's not just a minor detail, it's the foundation of the entire system. Create a folder on your computer called Claude Cowork and put it somewhere you'll easily find. Inside, you'll create 3 subfolders: About Me, Outputs, and Templates. This structure is what allows Claude to understand you, remember your work, and reuse your best templates. Everything else builds on top of these 3 folders, so don't skip this step. The About Me folder is the heart of your Claude Cowork setup. Every time you start a session, Claude reads this folder to understand who you are, how you think, and what you care about. This shapes how it communicates with you and approaches every task. Inside About Me, you'll need 3 files: About Me, MD, Anti-ai-writing-style.md, and My Company, MD, MD, Me, MD, MD, Me, MD, 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 MD. MD, 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 MD. Each serves a unique purpose in making Claude truly work for you. The About Me MD file is all about you, not just your job title, but your mindset, values, and preferred working style. Keep it concise, under 2,000 words, so Claude can process it quickly and focus on what matters. If you're starting from scratch, ask Claude to interview you and compile your answers into this file. This ensures the file is both thorough and relevant, capturing the essence of how you think and work. This file is your personal style guide. Most AI-generated content has a recognizable pattern, filler phrases, excessive structure, and robotic tone. The anti-AI writing style.md file tells Claude exactly what to avoid and how to write in your authentic voice. List words, sentence structures, and formatting you dislike, and describe your preferred style. This way, Claude's outputs sound like you, not a generic AI. Where? About Me, MD is personal. My Company, MD is all about your current goals and priorities. It covers what you're building toward, the decisions you're facing, and what you want to avoid. Answer 6 to 8 focused questions about your targets and direction. Update this file regularly as your goals evolve. An outdated file can be misleading and reduce Claude's effectiveness. The Outputs folder is where you save all valuable work produced during your sessions with Claude. This includes documents, drafts, analyses, and anything you might want to reference or reuse later. Claude doesn't save here automatically. You decide what's worth keeping. Think of it as your personal filing cabinet for all your best outputs. The Templates folder is where you keep your best, most reusable work templates. Whenever you finish a piece of work that turns out particularly well, like a great email or report, ask Claude to save it as a template. Over time, this folder becomes a library of your best work patterns, ready to be reused whenever you need them. Global instructions are the persistent prompt that ties your whole system together. You write them once in the Cowork app settings, explaining your folder structure and the purpose of each file. Claude reads these instructions before every task, ensuring it always knows where to look for context, templates, or outputs. This step transforms your setup from a collection of files into a cohesive, intelligent system. When writing your global instructions, be clear and functional. Describe what each folder and file is for, when Claude should reference them, and how to handle outputs and templates. Think of it as a technical briefing for Claude, not a narrative. Good instructions mean you won't have to re-explain your setup every session. Claude will just know. Once your system is set up, daily use becomes straightforward. Always select the right folder and the Opus 4.6 model before starting a session. Regularly update your About Me and My Company MD files to keep context fresh. Reference your anti-AI writing style MD when asking Claude to write, and save good outputs as templates. Let your global instructions do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the work itself. Every time you open a session, double-check that you're pointing at your Claude Cowork folder and have selected the Opus 4.6 model. This small habit ensures you're always working with the right context and the most capable AI model. It only takes a few seconds, but makes a big difference in your workflow. Your About Me and My Company MD files are only useful if they're accurate. Whenever your goals, voice, or priorities change, update these files. Old context can be worse than no context at all, so make it a habit to review and revise these documents regularly. Don't just create anti-ai-writing-style.md and forget about it. Actively reference it when you ask Claude to write something. For example, say, "Write this in my voice," following the rules in anti-ai-writing-style.md. This ensures Claude consistently produces content that matches your style and preferences. Whenever you create a piece of work that turns out well, ask yourself if you'll need to do something similar again. If so, save it as a template in your Templates folder. Over time, this builds a library of your best work, making future tasks faster and easier. Once you've written clear global instructions, let them do the work. You shouldn't need to re-explain your folder structure every session. If you find yourself doing so, revisit and clarify your instructions. This habit keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Claude Cowork was built for non-developers, but that covers a wide range of users. Those who benefit most are people with repeatable work, a strong sense of their writing voice, and a willingness to invest time up front in building their folder system. If you regularly produce written content, emails, reports, strategies, and are tired of re-explaining context to AI tools, Cowork is for you. If you use AI casually and don't have strong writing preferences or strategic priorities, you'll get less out of Cowork. The system is only as useful as the files you put into it. Without clear context and goals, Claude can't deliver its full potential. It's designed for users who want to build a personalized, efficient workflow. Many users make the mistake of skipping the folder setup or not updating their files regularly. Others forget to reference their anti-AI writing style, MD, leading to generic outputs. Avoid these pitfalls by following the setup steps closely and maintaining your files. Consistency is key to getting the most out of Claude Cowork. Let's walk through an example. Start a Cowork session with Opus 4.6 and ask Claude to interview you for your About Me, MD. Answer 15 to 20 targeted questions about your work style, values, and preferences. When finished, Claude will compile your answers into a concise file you can save in the About Me folder. This ensures your context is both accurate and actionable. Suppose your company's priorities shift. Open your My Company, MD, and update your answers to reflect new goals, targets, and challenges. This keeps Claude's advice relevant and aligned with your current direction. Treat this file as a living document review and revise it as often as needed. After completing a well-structured report, tell Claude to save it as a template in your Templates folder. Claude will strip it down to a reusable structure, making it easy to start similar projects in the future. This habit saves time and ensures consistency across your work. In the Cowork app settings, write clear global instructions explaining your folder structure and file purposes. For example, specify that About Me contains your personal context, Output stores completed work, and Templates holds reusable formats. This ensures Claude always knows where to find the right information. A well-maintained Claude Cowork system is a powerful productivity tool. Set a reminder to review your About Me and My Company MD files every month. Archive outdated outputs and templates you no longer use. This keeps your system lean, relevant, and ready for any task. If you notice Claude isn't responding as expected, check your folder structure and file contents. Make sure your global instructions are up to date and your context files reflect your current situation. Most issues can be solved by revisiting your setup and making small adjustments. For those looking to get even more out of Claude Cowork, consider creating specialized templates for recurring tasks or segmenting your About Me file for different roles or projects. The more you tailor your system, the more value you'll unlock. Experiment with new workflows and refine your setup over time. To recap, setting up Claude Cowork the right way means building a solid folder structure, maintaining accurate context files, and leveraging templates and global instructions. The system rewards users who invest time up front and maintain good habits. With the right setup, Claude Cowork becomes a powerful partner in your daily work. Now you know everything you actually need to set up Claude Cowork for real results. Take the time to build your folders, write your context files, and set up your global instructions. With these foundations in place, you'll find your workflow smoother, your outputs more personalized, and your productivity higher than ever. Happy co-working!